So we're done getting the church basement, and we were very happy to see the original timber frame structure, which is in good condition. We're still looking for a home for this Krakauer piano. Hopefully we've got a taker, we'll see. And yeah, the beautiful old stone foundation walls are in very decent condition, so we're happy to see that as well. Here's some demolition tools with a temporary toilet, let's say. And the walls were power washed, and the wood structure as well. So everything smells good in here now. It's dry, it's clean, the bats are gone. We've got some temporary electrical here with some heaters, because there used to be an oil furnace right here, which is now gone. And the oil tank was back there, that's gone as well. So we can see the old French drains that existed at the perimeter. And now we're just sort of absorbing the space and trying to see all the potential of what we can do with it. We're hoping to dig down, but first and foremost, we're getting some plans drawn up to see exactly what the current layout is and what the dimensions are. So upwards and onwards.